We're in the Picos de Europa, about to hike in to Naranjo de Bulnes. It's going to be about a 3.5 hour hike of hard uphill suffering. Very exciting.
We've just made it to the first refuge and already super amazing views everywhere. Gonna grab some lunch and then carry on. It's getting a little bit wet. The camera's had to go out, but how sick is this?
Precipitation.
It's a precipitation. We've been climbing up in the rain for the last kind of half an hour, maybe even an hour, but the sun's just starting to burn through, and just in the distance you can just start to see Naranjo de Bulnes. It's just burning through the clouds there a little bit. It's somewhere out there. Voila. Made it to the refuge. Now we need to get some beers in, some food, and go from there. Unfortunately, it's still a bit foggy everywhere, but hopefully the sun's going to burn through and be ready for tomorrow.
Cheers. So here we are, it's 6:54 on Naranjo de Bulnes. We're just getting ready to go walk into our climb.
Cheers.
Weather is clear, looks good, bit cold. So yeah, it should be good.
So we're climbing up at this thing in a second. There's Jolly and everyone walking across now, but look how amazing this is. Stunning. Yeah. This next bit is just a wedge it. I mean, it's a bit more awkward with the bag, but I just squish in the bag still and just get me outside up this way. Wow. Still covered in cloud and fog, but out of the wind now. It's getting a little bit warmer at least, but we're getting there.
Okay. Right, mate. Now, Kieran stood on that and then stepped down feet first and came through. I lay down like a seal and made lots of grunting. I think Kieran's way was more elegant. We had to drop a knee through in a minute. Keep wriggling. Did you go for elegance? Always. Oh wait, no, much. There's a head jam.
Just slowly approaching the summit.
Well, 15 minutes to the top summit.
Finally made it. Just surrounded by clouds. Made it. We're at the top. Just about to head down for the abseil. So good.
Yeah. But I think you should get used to it the more you do.
So it's a bit of a wrap to our Naranjo de Bulnes climbing trip. We're just currently on our walk down the morning after the climb yesterday. Had an awesome trip, really good. I managed to break the helmet clip to the GoPro while kind of whipping a rope on the climb up, so that's why the kind of point of view footage disappears for a little bit afterwards, but all in all it was amazing. We made it to the top of the route, Subida, and yeah, it's just stunning. We're just walking away from the climb now. It's time to say goodbye, but awesome.